the fire. Welcome to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, we're gonna go ahead and super clean this engine. Joe, how many miles are on this engine? 170,000. Okay, so this is 170,000 miles worth of grime. We're going to basically use the super clean that Super Clean was gracious enough to let us have. And we're just gonna basically test it out here, and we're gonna see if the super clean can get this thing super clean. All you gotta do is just spray it on wherever it is you're trying to clean. Wait it out. If you know, I'll probably let it soak for a few minutes. I'm basically gonna brush over the whole engine, and then we'll be done. We'll be super cleaned up. All right. So that's it. Let's go ahead and get rolling. Soak the whole engine in this super clean. Make it all over the valve cover. Might as well just go over the whole engine, clean what we can. And we're just spraying over. Let's put it on stream here. Oh yeah, that's what I should have done. Look at it, it's taking it right off there. All right, I think that's good. We'll just let it sit there for a few minutes, and then we will start scrubbing. We've noticed that you guys have been watching us, but not really subscribing. I think maybe we're at like 3% out of all of our total viewership. So if you like our work and you like our videos, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We got plenty of content on the Nissan Altima sitting right over here. We got F-150. Bob has two F-150s actually, a 95 one and a 2013. And then I got my Silverado sitting over there in the corner. Other than that, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. All right, so we've let it sit with all the super clean for about 10 minutes now. And then me and Joe are ready to go ahead. We're gonna start scrubbing it down and hopefully get this thing super duper clean. I think the top is pretty much set. What do you think, Joe? Looking good. Oh, I'm taking off the barcode. No. Yeah. All right, we're all done. And this is the final product. See there, the valve cover is a lot cleaner than it was before. Cleaned up all this down here. This was covered in grease and grime and dirt. I mean, there's still a little bit left over. And we didn't like detail it finally. I mean, we just wanted to clean it up enough so we can get this timing cover off. It did really well. Did really well up top here. You can really see the difference from before. Joe, what do you think? Yeah, good. Yep. Joe thinks it's good, and I think it's good. So, if you're interested, go ahead and click that link down in the description and buy yourself some super clean. At this point, what I want to do is I want to try out their all-wheel cleaner. So how this works basically is you'll wash your car, truck, or whatever you have, wash your wheels off first, and then apply this on, let it sit on there, foam for like 30 seconds or so, and then just go ahead and rinse it off with the hose. Wipe it down clean, dry it all off so there's no water spots, and that's it. That's all. I'm curious though, like if I wash the wheels first, then it's like it kind of throws the whole test off, in my opinion. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually just use the super clean, spray it on there, let it do its thing for 30 seconds. I might give it like a minute just because I'm not washing it beforehand. And then I will rinse it off, dry it with a soft cloth, and then take a look, all right? And then I think I'll do the other side. The other side, I'll do the way the directions have on the back label to wash the wheel first and then use the all-wheel cleaner, all right? Let's just try this and see what happens. Nice foamy action. All right, so we're gonna let it soak for a minute and start. So that's it. Let's go ahead and rinse it off. So this is a nice bright towel, brand new. So if there's anything left, we're gonna see it when we wipe this off. This is what we got left over. That's actually not bad. So to the other side. All right, gonna use some turtle wax car wash. Put a little dot in there. All right, that's good. Let's hose it down. Now, this is, like I said, this is just the normal car wash. This isn't the actual super clean stuff. This is just the turtle wax I showed you. Start. Okay, so here's a new one, okay? This is the one I just did on the driver's side. This is the new one I'm gonna use to wipe this wheel down. And then anything, we'll just hold it up and see which one's cleaner. Let's go ahead and dry it off. So here we go. Here's the end result. Actually, let's come over here in the light. All right, so this is the one I had in my hand. This is the one I just wiped by following the super clean method. And this is the other side without washing it first. Okay, so what you think? I mean, this looks slightly dirtier, but not by much, man. I mean, not by much. Even by washing, like you say you do your normal car wash, it's only slightly better than if you just sprayed the super clean on it and then just rinsed it off with a hose. This is the side I did just super clean. I did not wash it beforehand. This is the side I washed with the turtle wax soap. And basically just followed along here with their steps on the back of the bottle. And it is cleaner doing it this way. I'm not taking that away from super clean's method. I'm just saying, if you don't have time to actually bust out the car soap and the bucket, you know, the hose and all that out and wash them down properly following, you know, super clean's actual steps back here, you can get away with just spraying this thing, coming back and just rinsing it off. Wow, I'm actually, like I said, I'm pretty impressed with the results that super clean had without going and washing it down, you know, with the normal car wash. You can use it either way. That's the beauty of like the super clean product, is you can do it without it, like without washing it, like I just showed you over here. And these are the results. Clean, super clean. Or you can follow their method and get it a little bit cleaner, like go the extra mile and actually wash the wheel with soap and water first, and then use the super clean, and then you're even shinier. So we've tried out the engine degreaser. This is a little bit used up, as you can see. I've used this on my brother's Scion engine over there. All right, so we got these two done. Super clean. Want to try out one more, the aerosol version, which is basically just the same as this, but they have it in a can now. Easy spray aerosol can. All right, so you're probably wondering what I'm going to do first, or what I'm going to do, you know, what I'm going to clean with that. And I don't know if you've seen this before in my video. You've probably seen it in the background right over here. This boat, okay, this boat is old. All right, and you can already tell looking at it, it's seen better days, let's put it that way. All right, we're gonna try out the aerosol on this boat. I mean, you can see this stuff. It's tired, it's old. Or maybe I'll spray over here. All right, tools, driveways, outdoor furniture, marine. This is marine, okay? So it's right there, marine. Okay, so we're not, maybe I'm not bullying it too much, but I know this stuff has been on here for quite a while, so it may not get it. All right, we're gonna get this whole area right here. And we're gonna see what it do. I'm gonna get a good foam on this sucker. Let that beast die right there. It might be starting to dry now on the edges. So I think we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spray this down. Hose it down. Yeah, about that, guys. This thing did nothing. It might have loosened it. I mean, it did loosen it. Maybe not the greatest test, but we're gonna try. We'll go right here. This seems pretty dry right here still. We're just gonna spray. I don't know if it's gonna work, guys. I'll be honest with you. I really don't know what I'm dealing with right now with the super clean and this stuff on the boat, but I can tell this is probably its hardest test. So I think I'm gonna let it sit here. I'm gonna let it sit a good 5 minutes. Okay. About time. Let's go ahead and hose this down. Guys, look at that. Okay, I can tell already right off the top it did clean some things. And again, this is without even any elbow grease. I didn't even scrub it. I just sprayed it and let it do its thing. Other than that, it works on boats, guys. It works on boats. Not up here, whatever this stuff is. It looks like just straight up mold. But down here, this lighter stuff, cleaned it right up. No problem. So I could probably spray all of this down, clean up the boat real nice. Super clean aerosol, as I just showed you, it works. I have to say, I think I'm a believer here in the super clean stuff. If you are too, go ahead and check out their product. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Click that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more Trick Ship Garage videos, and we'll see you on the next one.